When it comes to upgrading or building a home in Orangeburg, one of the most important design decisions you'll make is choosing the right window style. The windows you select not only influence your home's aesthetic appeal but also impact energy efficiency, ventilation, and natural light. With so many different types of windows to choose from, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. However, by considering a few key factors, you can make a decision that will complement your home's style, suit your needs, and enhance your living experience. Here's a guide on how to choose the best window style for your Orangeburg home, whether you're building a new property or replacing old windows. Consider the architectural style of your home. The first step in selecting the right window style is to consider your home's architectural design. Different window styles complement different architectural features. For example, a colonial-style home may look best with double-hung windows, while a modern or contemporary home might be better suited to casement or picture windows. Here's a quick guide to match window styles with home types. Colonial homes. Traditional double-hung windows are a perfect fit for colonial-style homes. These windows consist of two sashes that slide up and down and can be divided into smaller panes, creating that classic look. Modern homes. For a sleek, clean look, consider casement or picture windows. These windows offer expansive views and open to allow for better ventilation, fitting well with a modern, minimalistic design. Craftsman homes. Casement or awning windows work well with craftsman-style homes, which often feature large window frames and horizontal lines. These windows provide both functionality and a charming aesthetic. Victorian homes. Bay windows or bow windows can enhance the Victorian aesthetic, offering a more decorative look and allowing for panoramic views of your surroundings. Matching the right window style with your home's architectural design will help create a cohesive, polished appearance and ensure your windows enhance the overall look of your property. Think about natural light and view. Windows play a key role in the amount of natural light that enters your home. If you love the idea of letting the sunshine in, consider window styles that maximize light exposure. Picture windows are an excellent choice if you want to bring in large amounts of natural light. These windows are large, fixed panels that provide unobstructed views of the outside. They work well in living rooms, dining areas, or spaces where you want to enjoy expansive outdoor views. Bay windows or bow windows allow light to filter in from multiple directions. Their protruding design creates more space and allows sunlight to enter from the sides, making your home feel brighter and more open. If you live in a scenic area of Orangeburg, you'll want to consider how windows frame and highlight your views. Picture or bay windows are great for showing off stunning landscapes, gardens, or peaceful streets. Consider ventilation needs. While some windows are purely decorative, others serve a practical purpose by allowing fresh air into your home. The style of window you choose can have a big impact on the amount of ventilation in your rooms. Casement windows are hinged at the side and swing open like a door, providing excellent ventilation when the weather is nice. These windows can be opened fully, allowing for maximum airflow, making them perfect for kitchens, bedrooms, or areas that need consistent ventilation. Double-hung windows are another great option for ventilation. Both sashes of the window slide up and down, allowing air to flow in from the bottom and out from the top. This style works well for most rooms, especially for energy-conscious homeowners who want to maintain airflow without compromising on security. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward, allowing air to circulate even when it's raining. This makes them an ideal option for bathrooms or spaces where you want to maintain airflow even in bad weather. Evaluate energy efficiency. In Orangeburg, where temperatures can range from hot summers to chilly winters, it's essential to select windows that can help maintain the temperature in your home. Energy-efficient windows reduce heat loss during winter and keep your home cool during the summer, potentially lowering your utility bills. Double-pane windows offer better insulation compared to single-pane windows, trapping air between the glass to act as a barrier against heat and cold. Low-heat glass is an excellent feature to look for when choosing windows. This special coating helps reflect heat back into your home during the winter and blocks UV rays in the summer, improving energy efficiency and protecting your furniture and flooring from sun damage. For homes in areas prone to storms or extreme weather conditions, consider impact-resistant windows, which not only provide better insulation but also protect your home from strong winds and debris. Budget and maintenance. Finally, consider your budget and how much time you're willing to spend maintaining your windows. Some window styles require more upkeep than others. For example, double-hung windows and casement windows may require regular cleaning, especially if you live in an area with lots of pollen or dust. In terms of budget, vinyl windows tend to be more affordable than wooden windows, and they offer lower maintenance costs over the long run. Wood windows, while beautiful, may require more frequent painting and sealing to protect them from moisture and wear. Conclusion: choosing the perfect window style for your Orangeburg home. Selecting the right window style for your Orangeburg home is a decision that requires careful consideration of your home's aesthetic, functional needs, and budget. By understanding how different window styles impact light, ventilation, security, and energy efficiency, you can make an informed choice that enhances your home's overall appeal and performance. Whether you prefer the modern elegance of picture windows, the classic look of double-hung windows, or the unique charm of bay windows, the right windows can help transform your home into a brighter, more comfortable, and energy-efficient space.